is, as I said earlier, this is a highlight for us in our calendar. Now, what we've done differently this year is we thought actually often we get not criticism but commentary that we are, our embassy is based in Harare and we are obviously it's harder to spend time in Bulawayo, but ZRTF is always an important week. So what we've decided to do this time is actually to bring not just trade and investment to Bulawayo, but bring everything that we do to Bulawayo, to showcase the whole range of UK work in Zimbabwe, but showcase it here in Bulawayo. So every day we've been focusing on a different theme. On Monday we were focusing on kind of cultural heritage and tourism. I went out to Amagugu to learn a bit about Ndebele culture, but to profile sort of heritage-based tourism. Yesterday we focused on education, innovation and skills, so we met returning scholars from the UK, we went to the education hall in ZITF, we went to the National University of Science and Technology to meet winners of a UK-funded award on technology. Today we'll be focusing on women and girls and the importance of women and girls in the economy. And then tomorrow is a sort of culmination of all this. We have an open house. So at the National Gallery, we will have our embassy, a sort of pop-up embassy for the day. So anyone can come, they can talk about visas, scholarships, partnerships, trade, investment, anything we're doing. So that's so it's a different approach, but it's almost trying to bring our embassy to Bulawayo for the week. And that's why there's so many of our team here this week, really focusing on the full range of the UK partnerships in Zimbabwe.